How to add promo code on Booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Booking.com does not typically utilize traditional promo codes for discounts. Instead, they offer various promotional deals and loyalty programs to help you save on bookings. Here's how you can take advantage of these offers. First, explore current deals. Booking.com frequently provides discounts on selected properties. To find these, you can visit the deals page and browse the available offers. Next, you can join the Genius loyalty program. Membership benefits by creating a free Booking.com account and completing at least 2 stays within 2 years, you become a Genius Level 1 member, unlocking a minimum of 10% discount on selected properties. Higher levels offer additional perks like free breakfast and room upgrades. Next, utilize travel coupons. Occasionally, Booking.com partners with other companies to offer travel coupons. To redeem these, enter the coupon code on the travel coupon page to convert it into travel credits, which can be applied to future bookings. Next, you can subscribe to newsletters. Sign up for Booking.com's newsletters to receive updates on exclusive deals and promotions directly to your inbox. Next, you can also check third-party websites like Wired or Retail Me Not often list current Booking.com promotions and discounts. So this is how you can add promo code on Booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.